values need not be in an order, but in a binary search, the elements must be in an order. That is called in a sorted array. Why do we call it is an half interval search? Means the values in the binary search are separate into two parts and then it start its searching. So we call binary search as a half interval search. It is known as divide and conquer. Is it clear? Let's see with pseudocode. Now look at the pseudocode for binary search. What is pseudocode? It is an outline or a rough draft of a program. It is an informal way of program description. It does not follow any rules or syntax. It is known as pseudocode. So let's see the pseudocode for binary search. First, it starts with the middle element. Already we know that in an element list are separate into two parts to find the middle element of the list. So it goes to the middle element first and it checks with the middle element. If it is match, it returns the index. If it is not match, it again find the middle element. It is the continuation of the pseudocode of binary search. If the middle element is not match, it checks the middle element with the target key. If the target key is greater than the middle element, it starts searching to the right side. Next point, if the target key is less than the middle element, it starts the searching to the left side. Is it clear? Let's see with example. This is the example for binary search. There are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 99. So these values are stored in a list. So now we are going to search the value 60. So it is our target element. Let's see the working principle of binary search. Remember the definition of binary search. Binary search is also known as half interval search because we have to separate into two parts and find the middle value of the list. How a list look like? They are in a sorted array. They are in an ascending order. Just look at the values 10, 20, 30, 40. These are in ascending order. So we can easily find out the middle value in a list. So the formula is given below for finding the middle value. To find the middle value, first take the highest index value and subtract with lowest index value. Then divide the value by 2. After it, add with lowest index value. The formula is given below. Just look. Low plus bracket of high minus low, close bracket, divided by 2. This is the formula for middle value. So we have to substitute index value for this formula. Not a value, we have to substitute index values. So what is the lowest value in the index? 0. So 0 is substitute plus what is the highest index value? That is 9. So 9 is subtracted by 0. What is the result? If we subtract 9 from 0, we get 9. So 9 is divided by 2. We get the value 4. In divide, we don't get any fractional number, we get whole number alone. So when we divide 9 by 2, we will get 4.5. So just don't take the fractional part, take the whole part alone, integer part alone. So 4 will be the answer when we divide 9 by 2. Is it clear? After get the answer for division, we have to add with the lowest index value plus 0. We get the value 4. So now we get the middle value is 4. So in the fourth index, we have the value 50. What is our target key? 60. So now the middle value is compared with target value. Remember the pseudocode. If the target key is greater than the middle value, our search must be go to the right side. So 50 and 60 are compared each other. 60 is greater than 50. So now we are going to search to the right side. So now our index are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this part alone we are going to search. So it is called half interval search. This is the continuation of the working principle of binary search. So now we are in the right side of the middle value 50. Now we have to find the new middle value for the right side element. So apply the formula. The lowest index value is now 5 plus the highest index value is 9. So 9 is subtracted from 5, the lowest index value. After subtracted, it is divided by 2. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 is divided by 2. We will get 2. It is added with the lowest index value, that is 5. Now our new middle value is 7. So go to the 7th index position. What is the value in the 7th index? 80. So now the middle value 80 is compared with our target value, that is 60. So 60 is lesser than 80. So now our search is go to the left side of the middle value. Is it clear? This is the continuation of working principle of binary search. In previous example, our middle value is 7. In the middle value 7, we have the value 80. So 60, our target value is less than 80. So we have to go to the left side of 80. So already we have seen up to the index 4. So just omit the index 0 to 4. Now we have to check the index 5 and 6 alone. So now we have to apply the formula for finding middle value. Take 5 and 6 index alone. In these two index, the lowest value is 5, the highest value is 6. So apply the formula 5 plus highest index value is 6 minus 5 divided by 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 divided by 2. Then we will get 0.5. So in this division, we have to omit the fractional part and take the integer part alone. Already I have said. So omit the fractional part 5 and take the integer part 0. So now 5 plus 0 is 5. The middle value is 5. Go to the index 5. What is the value? 60. What is our target value? 60. So 60 is equal to 60. So match is found. This is the working principle of binary search. Elements in the list must be in an order. It takes the middle value. If the middle value is matched with the target key, it produces the output, match is found. Otherwise, it checks the target value with the middle value. If the target value is greater than the middle value, it goes to the right side of the list. If the target value is less than the middle value, it go to the left side of the list. So this is the way the binary search the target key in a list. It produces the index of the value as an output. Is it clear? Thank you.